Hey guys, today we have another comparison video, and in this video I'll be comparing different 3D spatial surround technologies against each other. So there's 4 different technologies I want to compare. 3 of them are actually in software. The only one that's in hardware is this one, the Creative Sound Blaster X3, which uses the Super X-Fi technology. So yeah, all this software creates this virtual spatial surround sound type of sound. Compare it against all these like spatial surround technology. So there's 4 of them to go through. The first one is Dolby Atmos for Windows, and the second one is DTS Sound Unbound with Headphones X, and the third one is the THX Spatial Surround, and then the 4th one is going to be the Creative Super X-Fi. So the prices for these 4 technologies, Dolby Atmos is probably the cheapest at $15 US to install it on your computer. And then DTS Sound Unbound costs $20 to install on your computer, $5 more. And THX Spatial Audio also costs $20 from Razer if you buy it from there. And then Creative Super X-Fi, the cheapest way to get it is actually through the Super X-Fi dongle, which right now, as the time of this video, is about $60 from the US Creative Store. And that's more expensive, obviously, because it's hardware, not just software. And yeah, the Super X-Fi is the only one that's actually in hardware. We have to hook it up to the computer, but the rest of them, basically, it just does it in software, and I just connect my headphones to it. So yeah, I'll be using my focal ELEXs for this. So these headphones come with a decent amount of soundstage already, but not like really. The soundstage is not like super wide or anything like that. They're just all right. It comes in the okay soundstage for open back headphones, but of course with the software I'm expecting to see a much wider soundstage. So yeah, I'll be using my focal ELEXs. It's an okay soundstage, not like super wide or anything, and then I'll be using a different software with them: Dolby Atmos, then DTS Headphone X, and then THX Spatial Surround, which is by Razer, and then yeah, the Creative Super X-Fi. And yeah, you guys can listen to it and see if there's any noticeable differences between them, or which one sounds the best to you. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below which one sounds the best to you guys. But yeah, I'm expecting them to increase the soundstage a lot more. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh yeah, there's another piece of software I just want to mention, but I'm not going to put into the comparison, and that's Waves NX. I think I actually backed Waves NX a few years ago on Kickstarter, and they give you like this head tracker thing. And they used to have an application that you install, I think, on your desktop, but I can't find that anymore. And now it seems like they only have a mobile app for iPhone. And when I try to install that mobile app for iPhone, it just doesn't seem to work. Like I try to connect it to SoundCloud, there's an error when I try to play a file on it. And then, yeah, if it connects to your music library, but I can't even see any of my music on it. So there's something wrong with the Waves NX app for iPhone, and unfortunately, that's really the only way you can really use it that's not built into another device. Like they have it built into some devices like the Audi's Mobius, for example, but I'm not going to buy that headphone just for Waves NX. So yeah, I really want to test out Waves NX, but unfortunately, it seems like their only app that they have right now, which is for iOS, doesn't even work. So yep, so this comparison will only be between these 4, but I just did want to mention Waves NX as well, which is really designed for mixing engineers, I believe, and like basically studio musicians and stuff. They want to mix their track and stuff, and then they want to get the spatial surround mix, and then they use Waves NX. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that it doesn't seem like it's really a consumer application anymore.